Yeah, welcome to the Weidmüller booth here at the SPS Trade Fair in Nuremberg 2025. Great to show you all of our fantastic solutions. Here we're looking at modern ideas for revolutionizing the cabinet building process, efficiency and everything.
So what is this robot doing?
So the robot here is creating wiring processes to automate the wiring process of terminal blocks within any cabinet building system. Using our wire processing center, you can see here crimping, insulation removal, and that all being run through with our friend here, Snappy the robot.
Is this just a cool demo for the show? It's actually efficient and could be useful?
The infrastructure is all fully working products. The robot here is just replacing what would usually be done by a skilled employee in the normal production facility today.
And then it takes a little time, and then it comes back like this?
And then it comes here, and then you got a nice reminder of your stay here at Weidmüller at the trade show with our snapping technology, which is revolutionizing terminal blocks. All you have to do is put the cable in, and it clicks, and then you've got a secure connection moving forwards.
How is it revolutionizing?
Because it's finally a completely ferrule-free, safe, quick connection. Anyone can do it. You don't need a skilled preparation, and that's just fantastic.
So I go around this way. Maybe if you go around, can you explain what you see here?
Is our another demonstration of automated wiring of cabinets with various types of products. We're very proud of our cooperation with the company Schneider, who have trusted our snapping technology for their new TSYS range of products. And as you can see here, other fantastic products from Weidmüller and Schneider for snapping technology. The robots,
so I shouldn't put my finger in there, right?
No. The robot's just checking where the wire is, and then he's going to also do a insulation removal, crimping, and set everything up for a perfect wiring process.
So this whole part here is it's a lot to do with the next level cabinet building. Mm-hmm. Why do you say it's next level?
It's next level because we're really looking at ways of taking efficiency and speed to the next level using topics like snapping technology, which saves 50% of time in the wiring processes. We also have a whole range of software supported systems and even much larger terminal blocks with snapping technology. We have all available, every kind of solution to any challenge that you may have in your fabric. If we carry on through, you can see here again a setup we have for revolutionizing the wiring process, where our software systems can take the operator through the wiring process, through the marking process, to ensure that there's a failure-free finishing of all cabinets, and that's just going to really make production quicker and easier moving forwards into the next years. Here you've got our wire length cutting systems and crimping systems. If we carry on through, Weidmüller is very proud of our fantastic tool systems, which you can see here in this area. So any type of wire processing, our systems are perfectly designed for, ergonomic, user-friendly, comfortable. Here you can cut, strip and crimp all with a single tool. So really, again, saving efficiency and improving your systems. We may notice on my t-shirt here is 175. We're celebrating our 175-year anniversary this year. It all started many years ago, looking at simple snap fasteners. Our first production in 1850. Our first patents for new connection technologies in the clothing industry.
What were they for, those snap fasteners?
The snap fasteners were innovative clove connections, so like a button system for your shirts. And you can see there's the original patent from 1900. And then since then we've had a very proud history as we transitioned into electrical connectivity. And then our global expansion over the last 75 years to where we are today as one of the leading producers.
So it's a lot to do with inventions, inventing new ways of doing things?
It's a combination of many factors, inventing new technologies, improving processes, ensuring that our customers get the best service that they could possibly want, and also providing a whole range of products that ensure that we're able to fulfill any challenges that they may have.
And all your
So
colleagues here at the show, what do they do?
Our colleagues here at the show are here to talk to the customers, find out what it is that's making their lives difficult, and then we help them find solutions that are working well. Here's a fun cabinet just showing the wide range of products from Weidmüller. Power supplies, fantastic, bringing secure, reliable power to any application. Our U-remote system, a new control system, revolutionizing I/O and PLC softwares with open source solutions. We also have a massive range of switches, over voltage protection, relay systems, terminal blocks, secure, reliable connections from A to B. We have solutions for going through the cabinet wall, so that you can take out simple maintenance tasks without having to open the cabinet. Heavy-duty connectors, the massive requirement for any cabinet that may be built. If we come through here,
so is this a different section of the booth right now?
Now we're moving into the field connectivity section. We've got a range of PCB connection products that can solve any solution, power, data, signal, all types of configurations, so any challenge that you may have, the goal being to have fantastic devices from our customers with our world-leading technologies for connectivity. And as we come over here, you can see our wide range of field connection products, from round connectors, M8, M12, M23, the full family, a wide range of patch cord solutions, RJ45, and a mainstay of any machine in the factories today. We have innovative solutions. We've got a fun game here with the customers to just show our new connection technology. Here we have push-pull in M12, really quick. Heavy-duty connectors again, even going up to massive high-power connectors for rail industry, or 550 amps, so real solutions to everything. And that all brought together in a fun little demonstrator, showing our wide range of options, activities, and how our solutions can be put together to make real products for our customers.
If we go towards the front here, what is this robot
Over here
about?
you've got the rail assembler. So again, talking about efficiency in cabinet building, we can put DIN rails together fully automatically based on your computer designs. And that then from a range of standard products, whether that be here, relays, terminal blocks, all together on a DIN rail, fully automated, fully quick and speedy.
So you here at the show, you let people have a peek into how this works. Are these machines in many different places, or is this how you do it for them?
These machines are fully available, and we work with our customers and deliver them to our customers so that they can have the benefits of these machines in their production facilities and really then increase the efficiency in their building processes.
Nice. What's the next thing you want to show at the booth?
One thing that's really important as well is automation solutions. So we have here our massive portfolio on show, from software solutions to revolutionize your factory monitoring.
On the TV, it's talk about software. Automated reporting.
Automated reporting, use software is a great way of just giving you real life data from your factory floor, so that you as a factory manager can see what's going on. You can see here energy efficiency, output, status of all the machines. It's all possible with our open source software and our infrastructure to take measurements.
And around the booth, you're showing different parts of it?
Yeah, so of course. So here we have an extension system which we're just bringing to the market, so it's possible now to go in other directions. You can see here the user faces, and in principle the electromechanical technology from our software, from our hardware, is second to none. We carry on over here. U-Control, it's an open source based control system to allow real efficiency in the planning and the operation of your machines in the companies. And if we're coming back here, then again a bit more of a look into the open source software.
And so it's a Linux.
A Linux-based system, exactly.
And it's
just giving you the full
code development.
Exactly. So you've got here the full flexibility. You're not restricted to a single manufacturer, and our software enables you to really get the best out of your production facility.
All right.
And here we're working with partners as well to bring fantastic solutions. Yeah, one thing that's also really important, single pair Ethernet, we should definitely talk about. Something we're very proud of at the show this year. Single pair Ethernet is the next generation of Ethernet technology. Ethernet is obviously the most used communication system in automation today, and single pair Ethernet is the next generation. And at Weidmüller, we are the first company with a fully operational SPE connector according to the new norm, which has just been is close to being released. And this new technology is going to revolutionize Ethernet communication in machinery. So this is a real breakthrough for us, and we're really proud to be showing these real products. Very user-friendly.
What is the advantage of using this connector like this?
Well, the benefits of this, as opposed to an RJ45, this is the traditional RJ45, which SPE will eventually replace. You can see already the size is much smaller. Instead of 8 wires, I have 2 wires, which means I have less copper in my cabling, reducing costs, improving efficiency in the wiring of the connectors. There can be no mistakes because there's just 2 wires, which means that it's much more user-friendly and safe in the production. So this technology is going to be a real push.
Same?
The bandwidth is even better. We can send 10 megabit signals over a full kilometer, so 1,000 meters, which is a massive improvement over RJ45. And we can also do very high data rates, up to 25 or even 40 gigabits over shorter distances.
Nice. So here at the SPS show, you have a lot of discussions with the whole industry. The people that you work with, the partners?
We've been having fantastic discussions with thousands of customers, and it's been a real opportunity for us to understand what challenges they're all facing, what you're all facing, so that we can bring you the right solutions moving forwards. And it's been a great blast and a great 3 days, definitely.
And this is just a highlight. There's so much more at the booth, right?
Absolutely. I mean, what we've looked at here is just a tiny little snippet. And if you're still here at the Nuremberg, then come by and talk to our experts, and we'll be happy to help.
Do you have colleagues around the world?
Yeah, we're in almost most of the countries around the world. We've got a great sales team, and they're always looking forward to having discussions and finding solutions with you.
And then engineering, inventions and stuff, a lot of it happens in Germany?
Obviously, with our headquarters in Germany, there's a lot of that going on here, but we also have development offices around the world, and some of our inventions are coming from China, from America, from all over Europe. So we're definitely a very globally based company, and that enables us to be close to our customers wherever they may be.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.